This is my breakfast. This is Ellin breakfast. I don't drink milk because I'm lactose tolerant, and so I always have a glass of water with a stalk, parsley, celery in it, and I just have my scrambled egg and scrambled egg with I cook it with just no cheese. It's just because I have a digestive system problem with my whatever I eat. So I just put scrambled eggs, and I add a little celery, parsley, onion, and I don't cook with salt. I'm not a salt person, so and some nuts. I have, you can see in the plate, there is a few nuts of my choice, and a little piece of pepper to taste for me because I'm Jamaican, so I like spicy food. Well, I'll have a pancake with some strawberry jam. Yeah, this blueberry jam. I like wild blueberry, and it's all organic, and some gluten pancake mix. A pancake get a little brown, but it's okay. And from my bread, I have gluten-free bread. I don't use butter because I'm not supposed to eat, I said, like dairy products. So I have some it's not cream cheese or anything like that because there is no cheese. I just whip up some lactose milk, and I just base it on my bread. No sweet. There is nothing sweet there. And as being as I have to watch my health, so I always have a glass of water in the morning for breakfast, and I like to have my my egg very fluffy. If it's scrambled egg, don't overcook my food. My pancake, I like it nice and fluff, a little brown, but it's very nice, and just plain water. And my eggs are very easily done. I use natural eggs from the farm, from and organic chickens eggs. That's what I use, organic chicken eggs. So I don't need all kind of stuff in it. Sometimes I chop up little basil, parsley, celery, a pinch of onion or white scallion or something, just for taste for me. And I always put my nuts. I love to have nuts. You would call it um, walnut. Yes, I got some walnut, a little walnut topping. Yes, and my celery. That's what I like. And my egg and my pancake. Not much syrup. I just put blueberry. Yes, wild blueberry. Wild blueberry. That's organic. You pick them from where they doesn't fertilize. So I like my blueberry homemade jam. And my water. You can see my water. Yeah, I might just stick a piece of parsley in the water, so I can drink it like how people would say they drink Bloody Mary. I don't drink alcohol, alcohol free. So some stuff I just like, just natural, because I don't gain weight or lose weight. I try to maintain my weight, so I watch what I eat. I'm not an aisle cook, so I don't like grease in my food. So I stay away from some stuff. Okay, thank you. I'm just Ellen. Have a blessed day. Bye. And I'm gonna eat now. So eat with me. Hope you learn something from my cooking.